Well, here it is. The Line-X of the interior of the FJ55 is complete, and they did a really great job. We're excited about Line-X and have been for many years. I think we started Line-Xing our first aluminum body, gosh, 15 years ago, and we've done subsequently many bodies in different styles and things. There's a very distinctive line between where Line-X ends and begins. You know, those wheel wells we talked about earlier. But a lot of that stuff right there is going to be paneling inside. But looks super good. Again, can't say enough good things about Line-X. There's a seat that I'll show you, as well as the tailgate is going to be done